Okay, this time I want to review. This is my new matches, Keychain matches, fire starter matches, fire starter. This is really is very tiny and and very tiny. This is a plastic, you can see plastic right here. This is plastic. Okay. This is plastic. This is plastic, and this is a plastic too. Plastic. And this is from plastic or not, I don't know this, but this is plastic or not. But it's like strong enough for in your keychain, strong enough, but I don't know it's it's durable or not. It's the durability or not, but I want to try. This is can make a fire or not. Okay, we try to insert this Zippo, and I don't know. There is cotton on. There is a cotton on in this match. There is a cotton. You will see. There is a cotton on this hole. Oh, you can see. And I will try to make a fire. Is enough? Not full. Let it. Okay. Okay. Maybe. Okay, I want to try. Okay, we will to try this. I must to go off of here, and I will to try this. Okay, this is good. Wow, this is good enough. Good, this is good enough. Okay, good. This very good. This very good. This fire starter. This is fire starter. And simple fire starter. You must go out here everywhere you will, because this is very tiny and light. Thank you. This Wakat, and this product is good.